So the first step, kailangan mo ng kasirola na mas malaki ng konti sa chicken mo. So you can put your chicken into your pot and pwede mo din takpan. So I have here, hindi naman kailangan social ang kasirola. Any type of kasirola will do. And then buksan mo na yung apoy. Just medium flame. Lagay mo lang siya sa medium flame pareho. And to prepare it, I have here rock salt. Huwag kang gagamit ng social na asin. You just buy the one that you can get from the palengke. Yung pong nakakariton, yung binibili ng tabo-tabo. And then, lagyan mo lang to ng mga about maybe an inch. Yung taas. Ito yung magiging heat conductor natin.